Just took the rental car now from Barranquilla Airport, and today I will pick up Sue from the airport, but she is landing in Cartagena. So I will go now to Cartagena, but first I have to go to the dentist because I eat some rice and there was a stone inside and I broke some part of my tooth, so I have to repair it. Yeah, I have now been 1 hour at the dentist, but it was brilliant. He did it really good, and now everything is fine again and I can eat like an animal.
As my flight had a delay because of strong wind, Klaus had to wait a bit longer to see me. But late in the night I arrived exhausted at the airport in Cartagena with 2 big bags filled with repair parts for Tavarua.
Yes, we are reunited. So Sue arrived in Cartagena.
It's a video. I thought it is a photo.
Oh,
Hi!
video.
I'm back!
I didn't want to take your honor away.
Because I had a jet lag, we enjoyed the nightlife in Cartagena, and on the next morning we started the day with a little sightseeing.
I want to hear you crying today. But
Yeah, this is a nice morning in Cartagena. It's the first time we are together. Yeah, it's so nice here in Cartagena, but it's very hot. Una grande tartaruga. A big turtle. It's like turtle cake. And how is your first day in Colombia?
Hot. Really hot.
Then it was time to have breakfast.
And now a good papaya for breakfast. It's a lot of proteins. Now we're trying to find a shop where we can buy some textile for canvas work. We're now in a textile shop and it's very nice. They have really perfect textile for canvas, for different roof and for the pillows and all this stuff. That's cool.
Swimming in turpentine, dissolving slowly.
Then we will sleep.
No, that's not true. We will sit.
Sit and sleep outside, it's the best. Now you can sleep here too, outside.
Now you have to work. Get schon. Up. Na toll. Aha.
After we had brought all the textile and pillows to the tailor, we drove to Marina Puerto Velero, and I fell in love with Tavarua straight away again.
First day, Sue is on the boat, or second day?
And Sue is cooking.
And Sue is cooking. We are on the way to Santa Marta now. Did some shopping. Tomorrow we'll do our hiking to a village which is called Minca. Now we are in Santa Marta, but not with the boat, we came by car.
And it was so easy.
Easy entrance. Sue is fascinated from the Neptune.
No, right here, right? Helicopter.
Not from Neptune, she is fascinated
The helicopter.
by the helicopter.
Latte caffè.
Morning traffic. And now we go to Sierra Nevada.
Our goal was Minca, a village up in the mountain of the Sierra Nevada. And as we got a four-wheel drive and had a lot of luggage, we decided to drive up to our special apartment.
Today we will stay up there in a hut. And Sue is fascinated by some butterflies.
Blue, red one. It's beautiful.
We started with a delicious breakfast.
Welcome in the bamboo house. It's called the bamboo house, or?
This one?
Yeah?
Call it whatever you want to call it.
Our plan was to hike up to a waterfall directly in the jungle.
Sue found the same flower which is on her shirt. But they are not at home now.
Yeah, oh, they're at home and we can see them.
They are at home and they're working
They're doing
inside.
a fiesta now because it's lunch.
There is big erosion when it's raining. There is a river going down there. So nice hiking in the jungle. It's a little bit hot and humid, but it's nice because you see all the plants, banana palms and the big jungle trees. So it's really awesome. There is a waterfall where we'll go now.
After we had cooled down in the waterfall, our next goal was to reach the top of the mountain. Unfortunately, it started to rain. But okay, we are in the tropical rainforest. It may rain there. Some minutes before we reached the highest point, we found a telephone. I called a meteorologist to ask for a weather forecast. No, just a joke.
Now we arrived on the top of the mountain here, and yeah, it's raining, so we see nothing.
It's raining.
But we have a nice lunch now with tuna and proteins, nuts, so we are enjoying our time.
Going down was a big challenge because it was very slippery.
After a 4-hour hike, we return to our new home here. Exhausted. Now I want to show you the nice apartment or the bamboo house where we stay today. Follow me now. Who is in the kitchen?
Always.
In the green kitchen. Preparing some papayas. Check out this view. So nice. Now we have a nice dinner here. We are enjoying yeah, now make breakfast in this nice kitchen here. Like watching TV, you just have to look out in the jungle and you can watch the birds and hear the sound of the jungle.
Don't miss the next episode, where we will visit the oldest coffee factory of South America. We start to pimp the interior of Tavarua, and you will see what Alina is doing in her first week in Australia. But this and much more in the next episode.
So subscribe to our channel, please support us on Patreon, and see you next time. Peace, love, and follow your dreams.